Hi, I'm Elizabeth, owner of Beaute Totale Medical Aesthetics. At our skincare clinic, we offer a holistic approach to reversing skin damage and accentuating the best features. From alternatives like facelifting, blepharoplasty, adding facial volume, we also offer contouring features like for the cheeks, the jawline, the double chin, tissue tightening, as well as body contouring and body slimming. We personalize your treatment to meet your expectations, and we go above and beyond to give your skin the youth and health it deserves. As a medical esthetician and integrative nutrition coach, our philosophy is healing from the inside out for longevity results. With our 16 years of experience and dedication to staying in the forefront of aesthetics, we promise to give you unmatched attention and quality alternatives to a healthy, youthful you. I would like to invite you to book online your consultation and follow us on social media.